Hi everyone, I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. We have one marginally severe thunderstorm in the northern half of Collin County, producing a lot of lightning, some heavy rain, some gusty winds, but it's the northern part of Collin County, the southern part of Grayson County until 9 o'clock tonight, so for another 30 minutes. And you can see we have this one thunderstorm that started up here in Grayson County. It's in the process, it's weakened quite a bit. So right now it's just mainly some heavy rain, but the thunderstorm warning technically goes for another 30 minutes. It does include Salina. Salina, you may get some rain, maybe some 20 or 30 mile an hour winds, but right now the heaviest of the rain is between Van Alstyne and Weston, right on the Collin, right here. It's technically the heaviest of the rain, the most intense part of the storm, which candidly, I don't think it's severe. We've seen some wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles an hour in this area. We have not seen any winds that are any stronger than that right now. I've had zero reports of damage. We've have some heavy rain with this and a lot of lightning, but the most intense part of the thunderstorm is in the southern portion of Grayson County. So Anna, Melissa, you're picking up some rain and you are in that severe thunderstorm warned area. So some gusty winds are certainly a possibility with this. Over here, this is the northern portion of Hunt County, and you can see this thunderstorm. You can see how it's really starting to fall apart right now. So this is Fannin County, this is Hunt County. This thunderstorm, it was never severe, but it's in the process of weakening. Same thing over around Commerce and south of Cooper right now. We have a thunderstorm that's in the process of, it's really the same thunderstorm, it's in the process of falling apart. We had some thunderstorms out here in far western sections of North Texas that those two are in the process of falling apart right now. So again, as the sun starts to set, these thunderstorms lose their energy source, and once they lose the energy source, they just really collapse and fall apart and start to weaken. And certainly the weakening process is taking place across the area. So that's the radar at 8:32. By 10 o'clock, everything is gone. So I would say within the next hour, most of us are dry. There could be a little spotty shower or two at 10 o'clock. And then as we head through the overnight, I have no thunderstorms in my forecast overnight tonight. But a hot day. It's been a hot day today. So the little bit of thunderstorm activity that's out there, that one in northern Collin County is in the process of weakening. The thunderstorm warning, it may be canceled early, but right now it technically goes until 9 o'clock tonight. Hot day today, not a record. We hit 104. We were 2 away from the record, 106 back in 2012. Today is the third day in a row with triple-digit temperatures, and we've only had 3 triple-digit temperatures all season. The average to date is 9, so we're 6 behind schedule. Temperatures outside right now in Fort Worth, it's 97 with a southeast wind at 8, southeast winds at DBU at 8, and a temperature there at DBU of 97. And there's the high. The normal is 97. The morning low is 79. The normal low is 77. 60 is the record low. No rain today at DFW. Most of the area has been dry other than those spotty thunderstorms that popped up, and most of them have fallen apart. There's a couple that are lingering right now. We're below normal for the month by 1/2 inch and below normal for the year by about 1/4 inch. 97 right now at DFW. It's still hot outside with southeast winds at 8 miles an hour. Pollen today. Grasses are moderate, weeds are moderate, and fungus today, that is moderate. Now we start tomorrow with clear skies. And we'll have some clouds scattered across the area. Tomorrow's not a sunny day, it's a partly sunny day. There's a weak frontal boundary that's moved south of the Red River. That's what's helped trigger the thunderstorms that we've had around the last couple of hours. Again, just that one marginally severe one. But watch 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we're all quiet as we head through the morning, but once we get into tomorrow afternoon, the peak heat into the day, 4 o'clock or so, certainly by 5 o'clock, we'll have some thunderstorms start to bubble up across the area. A few more tomorrow than what we had today. Today, about 10% of us, 5 to 10% of us have seen a little bit of rain. Tomorrow, it's about 20, maybe 30% of North Texas will see some rain. There's 5 p.m., there's 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. So you can see some thunderstorms around, and they'll be similar tomorrow to what we had today. Once the sun starts to dip toward the horizon around 8 o'clock, the weakening of the thunderstorms that do pop up, that will commence. So there's 8 o'clock, and you can see by 9 they're kind of waning at that point, and then certainly by midnight all is quiet across the area. And as we head through Friday night, overnight, it's a quiet overnight period. So 20 to 30% of us on Friday see some rain, about 20% of us 10 to 20% of us on Saturday, and then about 5 to 10% of us on Sunday will pick up a little bit of rain. Now the coverage is not high as we head through the next 5 days. As I mentioned, we have a chance on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even a chance on Monday, 10, maybe 20% of us on Monday. And then Tuesday and the rest of the week will be dry. High temperatures as we go through the next 5 days. Well, remember the normal high is 97 degrees. We'll be below that number. It'll be cooler than normal as we head through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I have a high on Saturday of 90 degrees. There's a chance that we may not make it out of the upper 80s on Saturday. 93 on Sunday, 92 on Monday, and 93 the high temperature on Tuesday. So my forecast for tonight. The thunderstorms, the couple that are out there right now, those will fizzle out in the next half an hour to an hour or so. After that, it's a dry night, it's a warm night, it's a muggy night. 78 is the low temperature, partly cloudy skies tonight. And again, not a sunny day tomorrow, like most of today was, but it will be a partly sunny day. A few thunderstorms will be scattered about the area, as I just detailed. It'll be a hot day tomorrow with relatively light winds out of the north at 5 to 10 at times. It may be up to 15, but a hot day tomorrow will hit 95. There's the next 14 days, and there you go. There's we have the next 4 days in a row, we have a chance of rain. It's low coverage, anywhere from 10 to 30% coverage, but we do have a chance, and some of those thunderstorms will be pop. And the timing on those thunderstorms is mainly during the peak heating of the day, 3, 4 o'clock until around 8 or 9 o'clock at night. So that's when the most likely time for thunderstorms to pop up. And remember, 97 is the normal high over the 14-day time frame that I'm going to show you. So you look at Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week will be below the normal high temperature of 97, so cooler than normal. And then on Thursday, August 7th, it's a degree hotter than normal. We'll hit 98 on Thursday, August 7th. And then you look at the final 7 of the 14 days. Friday, August 8th, cooler than normal. Normal on Saturday, August 9th. And then cooler than normal the final 5 days of that 14-day forecast. Pretty remarkable that our temperatures have been right around normal. June was just a tad warmer than normal, like a half a degree. July will finish right around, if not maybe a tad, maybe a quarter of a degree cooler than normal. And as of right now, you look at the first 14 days of August, the first half of August, and if you average those numbers out over that 14-day time frame, that will make the first 14 days of August cooler than normal. Man, it has really been a very, very nice, comfortable summer. I know we hit 104 today. We were 2 degrees away from the record high, but overall, that's some pretty comfortable weather for North Texas. That doesn't always happen, so let's all enjoy this. Right now, I just Jason, let's do this. Let's go back to the radar real fast. Let me take a quick look. That thunderstorm in Collin County, I'd like to do that, and so just hang with us for a moment while we do that. That severe thunderstorm that popped up, it is weakening pretty significantly right now. The winds are decreasing throughout southern Grayson County and the northern half of Collin County. There are some gusty winds that are in the McKinney area right now that are maybe 30 to 40 miles an hour. But as you look at this thunderstorm, we'll take a closer look at it here. I mean, this thing's really, let's see, I started talking about 9 minutes ago. This thing is really, I mean, it's falling apart significantly. Right now, I mean, this thunderstorm, let's take, we still have, these are probably 30-mile-an-hour winds in the Van Alstyne area. But Collin County, the marginally severe part of the thunderstorm it's gone at this point. So it's just some rain, maybe some 30-mile-an-hour winds around Melissa. Let's go down and show folks in McKinney. I just looked and saw that there was a report of a 30-mile-an-hour wind down in McKinney. Head down to the south, Jason. Keep going. Let's go down to McKinney. There you are. So again, it's dry in McKinney, but you'll have some winds, some outflow winds from this thunderstorm that's in the process of weakening. So there we are. The thunderstorm warning, I doubt they cancel it early, but right now it's not a severe thunderstorm. Technically, the warning goes until 9 o'clock tonight, but Jason, let's zoom back up into the warned area. We're still seeing some lightning. We're still seeing some 30-mile-an-hour winds. But a severe thunderstorm has to have, to be defined as a severe thunderstorm, it has to have winds of 58 miles an hour or stronger. We do not have 58-mile-an-hour winds with this thunderstorm any longer. Maybe they're 30, but they are certainly sub-severe at this point. So no worries with this thunderstorm in the northern part of Grayson County. It has weakened significantly over the past 20 minutes or so, certainly the last 10 minutes. So that's it. That's what we have right now. Make sure you keep it here on WFAA Plus for the latest. Enjoy your evening.